Virgos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Virgos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of October 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, not many messages were coming through. Rather, I felt that someone is very uptight and not wanting to communicate at all. Like just leave me alone kind of energy was coming through very very strongly. Very rigid, very closed energy was coming through from while pre-shuffling. Okay, the first card that came out was Star energy, Aquarian energy, and then came. Nine of swords and 10 of swords. So some of you guys could be healing from backache. Okay, some of you guys might be experiencing like acute back pain, and you could be getting treatment for that, and healing or recovering from a back pain. That's what I was getting very very strongly. And for others it could be someone could have actually backstabbed you, is what I was getting, guys. Someone's behavior has really really hurt you a lot, and you are actually sleepless because of that. You are overthinking why this person did that, why he or she behaved like the way they did. Okay, all those thoughts are keeping you anxious and up at night, and whatever this is, it's going to come to an end. Okay, like it's a painful ending, I'm sorry to say, and I am sorry that you had to go through this, but you have a learning to learn from that. Okay, maybe you can ponder and identify it. Okay, some of you guys could be facing some difficulties at workplace, maybe a difficult manager to work with. Emperor card had shown up, Aries energy, and someone really is having a little tough time working with this manager, is what I was getting, like really really tough time, and you are like feeling very very utterly helpless. Okay, and not understanding how to deal with this person, is what I was getting. For someone specific, there is a fast moving energy coming towards you. A knight, I saw Knight of Wands and Knight of I think I saw Knight of Wands. I've seen at least 2 to 3 times, and another night was Knight of Swords, I think it was. I don't remember the second night, but most probably, it was Knight of Cups. Sorry, it was Knight of Cups. Someone who is very young, who is very emotional, who is very creative. Such an energy is coming towards you in a very speedy manner. Okay, this person might having a crush on you, is what I was getting, guys. This is very specific, like I said, and this person really adores you, and sees you with rose tinted glasses, is what I was getting. Okay, and Tower card was there, which told me like you could experience some sudden changes. I feel that this knight entering into your life could be a sudden change. By the way, oh yeah, that reminded me, I saw Page of Wands as well. So some of you guys could get a message from someone. Okay, an unexpected message at unexpected time, and that can take you by surprise. Okay, that kind of a communication is what you can expect in upcoming days. Okay, yeah, with that let's get started, guys. By the way, oh yeah, I've changed the pattern of the readings, guys. This time I'm pulling the health card, career slash finances card, and a few relationship slash general messages cards. Okay, followed by an affirmation message and tarot charms. The reason being, I wanted to keep the readings small, but I have seen that yours is the last reading that I'm recording, and I've seen that I still am not able to cut short the length of the reading, because like others, I do not have any paid or extended versions, and I just keep on rendering messages that I get. But yeah, that was the intent. So do let me know how you find this pattern, or would you want me to revert to original pattern. Oh my god, there's someone creating a lot of noise outside, so yeah, please forgive me for the disturbance, guys. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, there you go, there you go. Of course you are going to receive a message, guys, like really really, I have no doubt about that, literally no doubt about that. A lot of major arcanas. Let me stop at that. Are we good with the camera? I think we are good. So your health card is showing up as star energy, Aquarian energy. Like, I have no doubt, I have absolutely no doubt you are healing from something. Okay, some probably ailment, some illness, some aches, some pains, but definitely you guys are healing from something. And this time around, it looks like this is a physical ailment that you're healing from. Maybe you got a viral bout, or maybe you have had stomach infection, maybe you had back pain is something which is coming through very very strongly, but definitely someone is recovering from something is what I'm getting, Virgos. Okay, also guys, it's a time to bring the balance back in your life. Okay, now whatever word balance means to you. Okay, work life balance, emotional practical balance, or balance if in your health routine. Like, if you are dieting too much, maybe you would want to have some more cheat meals, or if you are too much into junk food eating, maybe you want to switch to healthy eating patterns, or if you're working out too much, you can lessen it a bit. Okay, so basically balance, whatever this word strikes a chord with you. Okay, in whichever aspect of your life. So yeah, that is what I am getting over here. And it's a very peaceful energy that I'm getting, guys. Yeah, I mean, you might have endured some pain, especially for those who have been who are healing from some physical ailment. Okay, no doubt you have gone through some pain or some trouble physically, but now you are in a stage of recovery, and you are kind of feeling better, and you have come with you have come to terms with whatever this was, and you are actually consciously taking efforts to take care of your health is what I'm getting. Okay, which is a very good sign. Aquarius energy showing up over here very very strongly. If you have Aquarius in your birth chart, or if you are dealing with a fellow Aquarian, you can check out that reading as well. Okay, yeah, that's your health card, guys. Your career/finances is looking very very good over here. It's talking about victory. Okay, like victory. Someone has tasted success after a lot of hurdles, after a lot of trouble, after maybe a lot of hard work, a lot of hardships. Okay, and that's why this victory is tasting even more sweeter to you guys. Okay, this has not come, like, it has just not landed up in your lap, or you are not successful just because you are amongst favorites. Okay, favoritism is one real big virus these days, especially in the corporate world. Okay, and I can tell you that you are not amongst them, and you have paved, or you have carved your position over here, or you have actually earned your success hard way is what I'm getting. And that's why it's like you're very very proud of it, and if not, you should be proud of it. Okay, so yeah, Six of Wands is talking about success written all over. Maybe your work was recognized at workplace. Okay, your efforts were recognized. You might have gotten good hike, or awards, rewards, recognitions, but I see that you are celebrated at workplace. Okay, very very good message to render, as a reader, and heartiest congratulations, and I am also proud of you guys. Okay, moving on to your personal reading now. This is very interesting, guys. I had not seen Two of Wands, by the way. Six of Cups and Page of Pentacles. So guys, I feel that someone from your past, okay, someone from your past is going to show up. Okay, you might bump into someone into your from your past, or this person is kind of thinking of coming and approaching you or meeting you. Okay, or it could be you who has been missing someone from your past, and you are actually kind of contemplating going and meeting this person, or talking to this person. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And maybe for some reasons or the other, this is delayed or postponed, but eventually you will end up meeting this person, or you'll hear from this person. This noise is so annoying. Someone is playing drums outside, and I am so sorry, guys. I am pretty much late this month, and I really have to complete this reading, so please forgive me for this disturbance. I had not expected it, but yeah, well, they get this perfect timing. As soon as I start reading, someone will start acting stupid out there. Anyway, so yeah, uh, yeah. So what I was saying is, yeah, someone from your past might show up, and like I said, you could be missing someone from your past, is what I'm getting. And for others, I am very very sure, guys, you are going to end up meeting your soulmate. Okay, there's lovers energy and there is page of cups. So this could be a person whom you are connected to for several lifetimes. That is hands down, because it's a major arcana lovers card, Gemini energy. But it could be someone from your childhood as well in this current lifetime. Okay, or your a school friend, your college friend, or an ex colleague. Okay, or someone whom you knew briefly. Okay, and the thing is that this person is going to come and uh, communicate with you. You're going to hear from this person very very soon, guys. See, there is the tower card over here. The tower card is saying that you are actually, you'll be really surprised to hear from this person. Oh my god, where did this message come from? I had not expected hearing from this person at all. And but here that person is, okay, expressing his or her feelings towards you. And this person actually, yeah, this person is going to be a soulmate, is what I'm getting, guys. And this person is actually having his or her heart on his or her sleeves, and this person is going to express his or her feelings to you very very soon. Okay, in an unexpected manner, at an unexpected time, is what I'm getting. This tower basically is bringing happy changes for you, guys. Okay, this is not a sad tower. Okay, this change, whatever is happening, is going to be a happy change. For some of you guys, this person could be younger to you. Okay, like there could be a substantial age gap between you guys, is what I'm seeing. Either you are very young to this person, or this person is very very young to you, is what I'm getting, guys. Okay, yeah, very very interesting. And I'm very sure of this energy, guys, that someone's soulmate is going to show up. Okay, it could be that that this person might be thinking that I've really waited for long. Okay, it has really taken me a lot of time, but here I am. I want to communicate with you, and I want to express my feelings to you, is what I'm getting over here. Okay, wow, very cute energy over here. For others, there's Capricorn energy, Devil energy, Fool energy, and there is Queen of Swords. Okay, so what I'm getting, guys, when I'm thinking of your pre-shuffling energy as well, some of you guys might have come out of a toxic situation. Okay, a toxic workplace, a toxic relationship, any toxic situation. Okay, a toxic bond. It could be between friends, it could be between siblings, it could be between partners. Okay, it could be between colleagues. Okay, but you have come out of it for some time. It could be a recent event, or maybe you are headed towards closure, but you are going to have a clean slate. Okay, you will have a fresh start. Okay, and now what has happened is you have become very guarded. Okay, like it's very important to set boundaries. I think if you have not done that, okay, if you have not done that, and if it is making sense to you, Virgos, make sure you start practicing it. Okay, set strict boundaries, set the expectations straight. Okay, no one should take you for granted. And don't shy away from setting the expectations, don't shy away from saying no, because there is definitely a devil energy attached to this. Okay, this is something which was very very toxic. Okay, and you have burnt your fingers already. Now that you have a fresh start, okay, this fool, you are going to have a chance to take that leap of faith. Okay, you're going to get a clean slate, you're going to have a fresh start. It is important to use your past experiences. Okay, this bag over here is a bag of experiences. It's on his shoulder at the back. Okay, so whatever has happened in the past, okay, make sure you have learned your lessons, and then you're using these lessons for this new start or this new beginning. And you are calculating the risk before plunging, taking this plunge or taking this leap of faith, and you are keeping your eyes and ears open, okay, and you should have this sword up, okay, have your guards up, set strict boundaries is what I would say, okay. Yeah, this is very very practical thing, practical problem, and we don't set boundaries and then we end up suffering, okay. That's a very common scenario. That's what I get, okay. And there is a specific group of people for which I feel they are facing a situation of how to communicate with someone, okay, because someone out there is probably very unapproachable and very acting very difficult, and not acting as per his or her age, and you are not understanding how to deal with this person, okay. That could also be the case for some of you guys. Again, very tricky situation, but communication would be the key over here, okay. Swords is all about communication and rational aspects, so make sure that you are very clear and you communicate in an unambiguous manner, okay. So there should be no room for confusion, okay. That's what I'm getting for some of you guys. Quite an interesting spread this is. It has a bunch of different energies, and I really like such readings when they are not actually specific, okay. So let's move on, guys, and pull an affirmation card. You can use this affirmation card throughout the month of October. Flower, be honest with yourself. Such a lovely message. By the way, I had gotten this card for Gemini. Yeah, Gemini. And if at all you have Gemini in your birth chart, or if you are dealing with a fellow Gemini, do hear or do check out that reading as well, guys. Be honest with yourself. Such a lovely and beautiful affirmation this is, okay. You need to be true to yourself, and that's what matters actually. That's what matters. And you don't need to give any explanations to anyone, as long as you know and you're sure of what you're doing and what you're saying, okay. And wow, I really like this card. I really like this card. And this is a good reminder that everyone should give or everyone should affirm actually. Be honest with yourself. Rest doesn't matter. Look at her body language also. Like she has a hand over her mouth, and trying to probably hold herself back from saying something and all. Well, you shouldn't shy away from calling a spade is what I always believe. Anyway, let's move further and pull some charms, guys, and conclude the reading. This catches my bone, okay. This indicates someone might be having a pet, a dog, okay, and maybe you're spending quality time with that pet, okay. And they actually, I really firmly believe that pets, and especially dogs, humans should learn from them how to love others unconditionally, like literally. I mean, I just loved having pulled that charm. I don't remember pulling this charm ever for any other reading. And every hair from fair, some lines decline. Now this charm tells me about trusting one's intuition. There is High Priestess also in your overall energy. So if you have any gut feeling about something, guys, do pay attention to it, okay. Do not ignore it, okay. It's a Piscean energy. Your gut feeling is there for a reason, and we should not ignore it, okay. And what is this? She believed she could, so she did. Such a beautiful charm. Believe in yourself, trust yourself, have faith in yourself, and just do what you firmly believe in, and rest will be taken care of, okay. That's what I get when I see this charm. She believed she could, so she did. Wow, just treat forward with confidence and faith, okay. cat. Okay, so someone might be having cat and dog both, or either a cat or either a dog, but something related to someone's pet. Okay, maybe because pets are very therapeutic also, maybe they'll help you heal better. Okay, since you're already in healing phase, some of you guys. Okay, so having a pet really really helps. And other than that, cat always it reminds me of being practical. Okay, because I always feel cats, I in fact I don't like cats, I'm so sorry to say this, and I don't want to be offensive or anything, it's just my personal this thing, that I find them very shrewd and very sometimes very self-centered. But anyway, the point being that their detachment game is very strong. Okay, they actually live in the moment, they stay very very practical and very very detached is what I'm getting. So maybe this is the message for some of you guys. Okay, try to detach yourself from some situations that are bothering you. Okay, and that could also help you in healing from whatever the situation was. And initials Y and G. Okay, if at all this mean anything to you, if they strike any chord, person, place, thing, Y and G. Okay, if at all they remind you of anything or anybody. Okay, yeah, I'll leave it at that. Virgos, do let me know how you find this pattern, or you would want me to revert to the old pattern. Okay, please let me know in the comment box. It will literally help me decide my or plan my next month's readings. Okay, so I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.